This is a system I'm excited about because I like to counter trend trade and I like to trade the euro, but the euro has been less trendy lately, and so it's been more difficult to trade. And so I'm excited about the possibilities of counter trend trading. And I've been doing research on counter trend trading this week, and I started out testing current counter trend systems on the E-mini Russell, and it turns out that without making any changes at all, and then setting up the euro with a custom session from 8:30 Central or 9:30 Eastern until 4:15 or Eastern, 3:15 Central, the exact hours of the stock market. Basically, there's been a lot of correlation, a lot of talk about how there's correlation between the stock indexes and the euro currency lately. Very correlated market. So I went on ahead and tested a stock index counter trend system, my Cobra system, without changing any of the rules. I inserted this strategy. You can see the strategy here. ND colon Cobra, exact same parameters, no changes at all. And take a look over the last 12 months. The Viper Euro strategy has not done as well. It's a trend following strategy, and the market seems to constantly be changing directions intraday and be more counter trend in nature. So I tested this, good results. Pretty excited about this strategy. Wanted to also take a look at the short signal. The short signal for the Cobra strategy is a different module, and the rules are not exactly the same. It's a little bit more selective. I'm going to turn that one on by clicking the status and turn that one off by clicking the status. So now we've got the Cobra E-mini Russell short module in this system, and I want to show you the results for that. The results they're positive, but they're not as great. The euro's been in an uptrend, not many trades. Take a look over a longer period, like 3 years. I'm going to change the time frame to 3 years and show you the results for the short signal on this. So going back a few years to generate more trades, there's only 90 trades on the short signal, and the equity curve, pretty good equity curve, not great, but there's just not a lot of frequency in this strategy. It's selective. So what I did is I made the Indy Cobra Euro, which the long side is exactly the same as Indy Cobra, and the short side is the exact opposite signals. It's not the same as the Cobra short strategy, where the signals are more selective, but it's the exact inverse. The short signals on the Indy Cobra Euro are the exact inverse of the long signals. So it's the exact same set of rules, but doing the opposite for the shorts. And I increased the stop loss to 510, give it a little bit more room, and I want to show you the results of that. Here's this week's trading. Look at the results here on the performance summary, but we've had a very strong equity curve in this strategy. Taking a look, pretty good results, really good results actually. You get to $90 average profit per trade here, and you've got let me change the pen type. I'm experimenting with this pen. So you've got $90 average profit per trade, $21,000 in profit. Drawdown is really low. 52% profitable. Those are the things I look at. Look at the average profit per trade, look at the drawdown, look at the equity curve, and look at the equity curve. I had to get rid of the pen to do that. So really good equity curve. So I'm excited about this strategy. It's got a positive, we've got a positive strong equity curve with a little bit of a pullback, and since the drawdown is low, you've got 26.6250 is the max drawdown, and you've had 3 losers in a row. So we've good profits on a monthly chart, a monthly basis as well, over the last 12 months. So let's see. Let's look at the trade list. Let's look at the daily periodical returns. Show you we got stopped out twice, and then got out at the end of the day for minus 125. So it's already in a $1,050 drawdown, and so the maximum risk to drawdown is about $1,500 if you start trading this system. We've already had 3 losses in a row. So if you take a look, I want to point out how to take a look at the trade analysis on this as well. You see the maximum consecutive losing trades is 5 in the past 12 months. And so if you look at the trade analysis, losing series. It's had one losing trade in a row 34 times, two losing trades in a row 13 times, three losing trades in a row 6 times, four losing trades in a row twice, five losing trades in a row 5 times. But it's never had 6 losers in a row, and we've already had 3 losing trades in a row. And so the dip with the equity curve could be a good entry point into this system. And I'm excited about starting to trade this on. I'm going to start trading this on Monday separately, and wanted to let you know about this strategy that can be leased or purchased if you want to trade countertrend euro currencies. And that is the video. Let me know if you have any questions on the Cobra Euro strategy.